Here's a nice one to check out. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino. Now, this particular car, numbers matching 350 underneath the hood, so still has the original engine, power steering, power brakes, and a 4-speed manual transmission in this one. So nice setup. It has underwent a repaint and restoration along the line somewhere from interior to exterior. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see what I'm talking about and go through and talk about this car and walk around a little bit, tell you where to look at still pictures, you can zoom in on them, look at them close. This is a nice car. So go ahead, check out those still pictures, underside, engine bay, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. El Camino in a 72. Don't plan on this one lasting real long around here. This one will go quick. Now you're going to see SS logos on the grill, sides, tailgate, not representing this as a SS. What I am is the numbers matching 350 underneath the hood. Proved it. VIN is stamped on the block. Now you can see we have a cowl induction hood, and you can see what that paint looks like through the camera, and it looks as good in person, no doubt about that. Has a nice shine to it, almost looks like it's wet. You get a good red paint under some lights. Like I said, almost looks like it's wet, so it's got a nice shine to it. As you can see, it's riding on the BF Goodrich 5-spoke style wheels, which is a great look on this car, kind of that flat gray. White stripe, and then wow, check this out, we got the vinyl top on it, which is really set off by that white stripe, and the vinyl top is also in good shape. And take a look up and down this car. This car came from a collection. Gentlemen, we know anything in his collection, it's quality stuff. They're decent cars. You can get in, turn the key, drive, go have some fun. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work in the rear of this. Backup lights in the tailgate. Again, 72 is pretty popular year for the El Caminos, and we have had them in, which is few and far in between. But again, they go quick. Take a look at the paint, even in the bed of this thing. And again, check out those underside pictures. Interior pics. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side of this one. Also show you how straight it is. Pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches. And take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you there. So it's a Kansas City built car. Bench seat. Would originally be a 4-speed car too. The suffix code on the engine, which is numbers matching, would have been paired up to a 4-speed transmission. So original 4-speed manual car. Door panels. Now, as far as the floor mats here, I do have pictures with them in and out. As far as in the still pictures, so you'll be able to check that out. Look at the headliner. Sorry about the glare there. Let me see if I can get rid of that a little bit. Of course, the spare tire would have been behind the rear passenger seat. Aftermarket stereo system has been added. See Pioneer speakers. Aftermarket tack has been added. That does work. And a very tasteful gauge cluster added right along there. So you have the clock, which actually is working. Vacuum gauge, oil pressure, water temp, voltage meter, and then the Pioneer matching stereo system down there to go with the speakers. Did have the blower fan blowing on this one. And again, power steering, power brakes underneath the hood. Dash. Good shape, not cracked, dry rotted, aged, sun faded, anything like that. So I'm going to start this one up. See how easily that started. Odometer reads 52,316. Can't confirm or deny That's original miles. Once the car is so old, the miles do not stay in the title any longer. And again, the radio does work down here. The one thing the text did note in the back was fuel gauge was in op. Sorry about that glare there also. Alright. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Watch how nicely this door closes also. And solid. Nice fit. Barely have to swing it at all. Nice sounding car. Nothing over the top. Not going to be loud, obnoxious. No crazy cam. No crazy aftermarket exhaust. It's a nice sounding 350 underneath the hood. Speaking of underneath the hood, let's go up here. Give me a second. I want to pull these hood pins. Let's open the hood. Check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
First off, let's look underneath the cowl induction hood. Looking good. And this red that you see kind of here, that's literally a reflection coming off the car. That's how shiny it is underneath that hood. Now, engine, there's that Chevy orange you'd expect to see. 350, again, numbers matching, power steering, power brakes. Just look at how tidy this engine bay is. Heater hose, everything still hooked up. And again, the blower fan, everything worked. As far as on the inside of that, you would have heat and defrost. Very nice and tidy engine bay, no doubt about that. Alright, there you go. Looking for a 72 Chevrolet El Camino. It's in nice shape. Turnkey, get in it, go. Here you are. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.